Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to continue what we started in the previous session, and we are going to add some sample data into our products table for our fictional clothing store. So first of all, I'm going to edit the stock column type because I noticed in the previous video that it's variable character and we want it to be integer. Because stock is a fixed number, it represents a value, it represents a number, an amount, that's why it should be integer. So I'm going to select my diamond clothes database and my products table. So we have to select the table where we are going to insert the data. We can insert the data using SQL commands, for example, insert into, and if you are not aware of this, I made a video some time ago, or we can use the physical dashboard. And in this video, we are going to use the dashboard. So on the top options, select the option insert, and this is going to open our columns and the sections where we have to fill the data. So ID, we are going to leave it blank. It is automatically inserted as we selected the option auto increment. In the second column, P name, which means product name, I'm going to give it a name. For example, blue denim jeans. In the third option, we had PDESC, which means product description. I'm going to give it any description for now. For example, the very dashing looking denim jeans for men, new summer collection. So you can write anything, but I really want you to write something, and you should fill every column individually so you understand how filling data works inside SQL database. Specifically in this case, we are using a phpMyAdmin web dashboard. So I put some sample information in the description column inside my products table. You have to see what's going here. We selected the diamond clothes database, we selected the products column, and we inserted the data into each column. The column is identified on the left side. You can see the name, there is type, and then there is the box which gives us the place to insert data. So let's insert some price, which is a decimal, so it should be a decimal number. For example, 35.50. Stock number, for example, I can say 10, and I can put a path to photo. So here I can put a physical path, or I can put a URL, online path. So I'm going to put a URL. It is much more easier than if we are going to use a physical path to our system, then we have to create a folder, we have to download the image, we have to be sure about the image type and dimension and everything. But in case of online images, we can just copy the URL. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to find a picture. Make sure that you browse the picture to be independent. For example, right click, open a new tab. So when we are copying the link, we copy the link of the picture itself and not the web page which is showing the picture. So copy image link, and when I paste it, I can see that it is an image link here, and we also copied some other parameters of this picture, but it doesn't really matter. So I click go, and I have inserted a data. So that's how we insert data. I just inserted one column of data. You can insert more columns as well. I mean, you have to, because we are going to need more than one column to insert in order to create a simple website using artificial intelligence. So here you can see my inserted data appears. I have one row of information, and on the top I have my columns. So I can click insert again, and then I can insert more data here. So I'm going to just insert some random stuff here, and I want you to do the same. Insert 10 to 15 products. In the next video we will continue. Thank you.